Hello, South Lebanon students and families. My name is Mr. Brown. I'm the principal here at South Lebanon Elementary School. For many of you, it'll be your first time coming into South Lebanon Elementary School. And for those of you that are new, we say welcome. For those of you that have been with us for multiple years, we say welcome back. Welcome to the 2021 school year. As you can imagine, it's been a crazy ride to get to this point where we are ready to open school for the year. As many of you hear this message and read this newsletter, I'm sure that there are a mixture of emotions, uncertainty, and questions that have been going through your minds. It is my hope that this newsletter will assist in calming any fears and answer any questions that you might have. I can assure you that we have made every attempt to develop solutions to face the challenges of opening school during the pandemic. I can say with confidence that our staff is ready to serve your children and that we are ready for school to begin. We've certainly missed the students here at South Lebanon. Please read through today's newsletter to develop an understanding of what your child's day at school will look like. I want to thank all of you for your support and understanding throughout the summer. Whether you are online or whether you are coming to us at brick and mortar, please know that we are always here for all of our students at South Lebanon, and if there is any way that we can assist you, please feel free to give us a call. I will close by saying, together as Falcons, we will soar. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic 2021 school year.